So I know that a lot of people use other people's video channels to come up with ideas, and they see some videos that are performing really, really well, and they want to create something that is kind of the same, kind of different. And one way to do that is to come up with your own title or your own hook. And here's something better. The best way to do it is to use web scrapers like Apify.com or Browse AI, and use them to scrape those titles and then have ChatGPT rewrite those titles and make them your own. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. The automation is super easy and very, very quick. And I'll just change my screen and I'll show you exactly how to do it. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I always bring you these cool tips and tricks that will help you enhance your business with AI. For this tutorial, I decided to go with Apify.com. I went and looked for some scrapers and I found the fast YouTube channel scraper that will give me about 1,000 videos for $1. And basically what you need to do when you decide on which scraper you want to use is you are going to add the URLs of the channels you want to scrape video titles from. Then you're going to set up the maximum amount of videos you want to scrape. And then you can also just say, I want videos from the past so many days or from a specific date. Once you do that, you will save and start, and this will run. Once it runs, you will go and create a task. Here's my unique task that I have already created. Okay, so we're going to go back to make.com, and I am actually going to remove this module so I can show you how I've set it up. Where is it? Delete module. And then I'm going to click on the plus sign. I'm going to select Apify, and I will select a task running. And then I'm going to click on add, and this will connect to my Apify. And when I click on the drop down for the task, as you can see, I actually have only one task that I have created, and I'm going to select this task and save it. Okay, now that my task is saved, I will go and I will run this module once. Okay, I'm going to run this module only. And now I have my information. The next thing we're going to do is set up your data sets that you want. And as you can see, we have lots and lots and lots of information, but what we're looking for is the default dataset ID. And then we're going to select clean on the data transformation. The format will be JSON and the limit will be 100. You can choose something else, but that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to click OK. The next module is our Open AI. And what I'm going to say is rewrite the title to create a new searchable title with an engaging hook. Keep all titles between 60 and 70 characters. Examples of searchable and high-end and highly engaging titles are short. Use words like how to, use listicles, use keywords, and emphasize important words. And then I'm going to select my title here, which is right here. And I'm going to click OK. And then we are going to pass this information into Airtable. And what we're going to pass is the content, and then we're going to pass from Apify the original title, URL, and view count. And then we're going to select OK, and I will run this whole automation now so we can see if we're going to get all these results into Airtable. And I'll show you my Airtable is absolutely empty at the moment. and we're going to go ahead and run it. Okay, so it is running, and as you can see, all of my modules are working fine, and I am still getting information. Let's have a look at our Airtable. As you can see, in real time, it's populating. These are my titles, the new titles that ChatGPT created. This is the old title, not the old title, I mean the original title of the video, the channel, the actual URL of the actual video from that channel, and then it's giving me the video views. So everything, I have filtered everything with video views. So actually there's another video that has even more video views, one that has even more, so I can wait until it's all done and then make a decision based on what the video is, because some of these videos are not suitable for my channel at all. And this is something you will find as well when you start doing this automation. You will find that some videos are not suitable for your channel. But the ones that are, you will have a look at the new title that ChatGPT created. You'll have a look at how many people have watched the original video, and you will make this decision. So this is a super cool automation, incredibly easy to create, and it will give you so many ideas with just the click of a button.